Imagine waking up to glowing, radiant skin that looks so youthful. You won't even feel the need for makeup anymore. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today we are turning that dream into your daily skincare reality with a powerful DIY facial oil that supports aging gracefully, naturally. Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing one of my absolute favorite recipes. A simple, all-natural anti-aging facial glow oil that fits right into a tiny 10ml dropper bottle but delivers big results over time. Make sure you watch right to the very end because I'll be showing you exactly how to make it yourself with the perfect ingredient measurements. This recipe uses 4 powerhouse oils, each chosen for their proven ability to deeply nourish, restore and protect maturing skin. Let's break down what each one does for your skin so you'll know exactly why they belong in this glow up blend. First up is Rosehip oil, a true anti-aging superstar. It's rich in vitamins A and C, which help boost collagen production, fade dark spots, and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Its lightweight texture soaks in quickly, leaving your skin feeling smooth, not greasy, with a natural glow. Next is Argan oil, also known as liquid gold. This oil is packed with antioxidants and essential fatty acids that work to restore skin elasticity, reduce inflammation, and protect against environmental damage. It's especially great for dry or mature skin in need of a hydration boost. Then we have jojoba oil, which mimics the skin's natural sebum. It helps balance oil production, calm irritation, and deliver moisture deep into the skin's layer without clogging pores. This makes the whole blend more skin compatible and helps all the other oils absorb better. And finally, we are going to add vitamin E oil, a potent antioxidant that not only extends the shelf life of your facial oil, but also supports skin regeneration and repair. It locks in moisture, softens skin, and protects against signs of premature aging. Now that you know why each of these oils was carefully chosen, let's get into the recipe itself. Grab your 10ml glass dropper bottle and let's mix up your new favorite skincare staple. Tar your digital scale with your empty 10ml glass dropper bottle and funnel. Carefully pour each ingredient into your bottle. Seal the bottle and give it a gentle shake to blend everything together. Label your bottle and don't forget to add the date for easy tracking. And there you have it, a simple facial glow oil that nourishes your skin, boosts radiance, and helps you age gracefully, naturally. To use, apply 2 to 3 drops to clean, slightly damp skin at night or in the morning. Gently press it into your face and neck. No rubbing needed. With consistent use, you'll start noticing a more radiant, even-toned, and supple complexion. I hope you love this glow oil as much as I do. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more natural skincare recipes that are simple, effective, and glow boosting. And let me know in the comments what's your go-to natural skincare ingredient. Thanks for watching, and remember, glowing skin is always in.